Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the reading of simple words from vowel and consonant sounds R to T. Right up. Now let's go to the letter R, okay? R. Okay, let's read the words. Rat, rat, rat. Okay, next. Rent, rent, rent. Okay, next one. Rib, rib, rib. Okay, next. Rose, rose, rose. Okay, next. Rug, rug, rug. Okay, next one. Rain, rain, rain. Okay, next. Ring, ring, ring. Okay, next word. Rice, rice, rice. Okay, and the last one. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Okay, good. Let's review some words. Okay, let's go to the word rose. Okay, the letter E here has a silent sound again. Okay, no sound, silent E. Rose. Okay, next one. Look at the word rug. Okay, look at letter U. Okay, the sound is rug. Okay, while as letter U here is oo. Okay, that's why it is read ruler, ruler. Okay, oo, oo. Okay, read rug, ruler. Okay, next, look at the letter I here. The sound is I. Ring, ring. While as letter I here is I, rice. Okay, rice. Ring, rice. Ring, rice. Okay, good. And lastly is the word rain. Okay, A here is combined with the letter I. Okay, the sound is A. It's like a long A. Okay, long A. Rain, rain, rain. Okay, all right. Next is the letter S. Okay, let's read the words. Sat, sat, sat. Okay, next. Send, send, send. Okay, next one. Six, six, six. Okay, next word. Sun, sun, sun. Okay, next one. Super, super, super. Okay, next word. Supper, supper, supper. Okay, next. Seven, seven, seven. Okay, next one. Seal, seal, seal. Okay, sun, sun, sun. Okay, last word. Shoe, shoe, shoe. Okay, good. Now let's review the words. Okay, look at the word sun and this word here, sun. Okay, look at the letter O. Okay, the sound is ah, sun, Son. Okay. The letter U here is okay. Sun. Sun. Okay. Again. Son. Son. Sun. Sun. Okay. All right. Next, look at this word over here. Super. Okay. And the other one is supper. Okay. They are different words. Okay. They have different meanings. Okay. The letter U here is U. U. U sound. Okay. The letter U here is A. A. Alright, so we read them. This one, U, super. U, super. Okay. This one, A, supper. Supper. Alright. Okay. Now let's go to the word seal. Alright. This is a combination of the letters E and A. Okay. So the sound is E. E. Okay. Seal. Seal. Alright. And then let's go to the last word, the shoe word. Okay. Now, this is a combination of the letter S and the letter H. Okay. So combined, they sound sh, sh, sh. Okay. Sh. All right. And then the next is the letters O and E. Okay. The sound is U. 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 Okay. So that we read this one as shoe. 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 Okay. Good. All right. Now let's go to letter T. 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 All right. Let's read the words. Tab. 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 Next one. Taxi. 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 Okay, next. Tent. 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 Okay, next. Tub. 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 Okay, next. Top. 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 Next. Tiger. 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 Okay, next one. Trip. 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 Next. Table. 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 Okay, next one. Toy. 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 Right? Next. Turtle. 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 Okay, and the last one. Time. 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 Okay, good. Let's review the words. Okay, let's go to this word tab and tub over here. Okay, this vowel A is A, and the vowel U is okay. Tab, tub, tub. All right. Next, let's go to the vowel I. Okay. The sound here is I. Taxi. Right? Then, also in here, it's I. Trip. Trip. But in this word, I is I. Tiger. Tiger. And also in this word, time, time, okay? I, I, okay. Now let's go to the combination of E and R, okay? It has the same sound as U and R, okay? The sound is er, 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 all right? Tiger, tiger. And this one, turtle, 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 all right? Okay. And let's look at the word table and also turtle, okay? The last letters, bull, bull, okay? E here is silent sound, silent E, okay? Bull, bull. Table, table, okay? And the word here is turtle, turtle, okay? T-L-E, tull, tull, silent E, okay? The silent sound. Again, turtle, turtle, okay, good. Yes, so we have just finished reading simple words from vowel and consonant sounds, R to T. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, stick around for the next video of the letters U to Z. See you, and bye for now.